analytics and search engine optimization. First of all, what is search engine optimization? It's the art and science of getting pages to rank higher in search engines such as Google. Search engine optimization starter guide. Who is this for? If you own, manage, or monetize or promote online content via Google search, this guide is meant for you. You might be the owner of a growing and thriving businesses, the webmaster of dozens sites, the SEO specialized in web agency, or DIY SEO ninja passionate about the mechanics of search. This guide is made for you. Search engine optimization is often about making small modifications to part of your website. When viewed individually, these changes might seem like incremental improvement, but when combined with other optimization, they could have a noticeable impact on your site user experience and performance in organic search results. For example, if you could build a website to benefit user, any optimization should be geared toward making the user experience better. 5 most known Google Analytics strategies to measure search engine optimization success. 1. How to view only organic traffic. The reason most companies see a decline in overall web traffic is due to decline in organic traffic. Many times, digging a little deeper can actually reveal that organic traffic is up while the traffic sources are down, which is resulting in overall traffic decline. How to measure the quality of SEO traffic. The most common report that is used to measure improvement or decline in the quality of search traffic is a assisted conversation report. What you are left with is a month-to-month comparison of conversations directly from search, or in the event of multiple visits to the site, conversation where search play a role but is not directly attributed with the conversation. That is, the visitors found the company through search but returned directly and converted. 3. Assessing dollar values to organic traffic. This strategy is used for businesses who are looking for more traditional way to understand the value SEO is bringing to their business beyond improvement in traffic, visibility, and conversion by assessing dollar value at such organic traffic. Note, for this strategy to work, you need access to Google AdWords account. Your analytics will need to be synced with your Search Console account. 4. Identifying slow loading page times. The need to optimize page load times is one item that is majorly overlooked by many search engine optimizations. That is why it is suggests that if a business is investing time and money in search engine optimization and keywords rankings, don't blow it by overlooking a slow loading website. 5. Create your own search engine optimization dashboard. Sometimes all it takes to move a client or boss from a skeptic to believable in your work is how the data is presented. The best way to present Google Analytics and search engine optimization data is through the built-in dashboard interface. A dashboard is essentially a series of widgets that pull all of the individual report into a single view, which is easy to access, share, and print. The bonus to having an easy, presentable PDF of SEO metric is the fact that having this dashboard will also cut down on your time spent reviewing analytics, letting you focus on actually doing the SEO work. Understanding your Google Analytics account. As I said earlier on about dashboards, for creating a custom dashboard like a dynamic report, it allows you to quickly get an overview of your account with the figures you specifically want. One for when you're properly familiar with Google Analytics. 2. Shortcuts. A really handy feature for creating word shortcuts when you have drilled down into the data you want. You can click the shortcut button on the page. Intelligence Invert. Automatic alerts are generated for you, or you can add custom alert. This can often be the first warning sign that something is wrong with your website or SEO campaign. Usually you can set this to email when they are triggered, as well as showing within your account. Real time. It's like a compact analytics with more limited options and data within it. However, it actually shows what's going on right now. For example, how many people are visiting your site right this second, what pages they are looking at, and for how long. Be warned, it's easy to get sucked in and spend too much time staring at this session without getting that much actionable data. Audience. Who is looking at your website? This is the data that helps you understand your audience from basic demographics to location and technologies. For example, desktop, mobile, OS. Acquisition. How did your audience arrive on your website? This gives you a breakdown by a channel on how the traffic arrived at the page.